Students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is endocrine system. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is endocrine system. So topic is endocrine system. Students, human mostly to have many or several system like digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, endocrine system, nervous system, reproductive system. But human nerve system, it means nervous system and endocrine system to coordinate in all cells. Next is human have many useful tumor like structure. These tumor like structure proper coordinated and binded forms to a specific system is called endocrine system. Once again, first of all, students, human all cells proper coordinated by two specific system: first nervous system, second endocrine system. Next, in human's body many useful tumor like structures, it means useful glands. These tumor likes, it means these gland proper coordinated and binded, so forms a specific system, it is called endocrine system. Next is glands. In human mostly three type of glands Once again, in human, mostly three types of glands. First is endocrine gland. Next is exocrine gland. And third is mixed gland. It means secretion. It means tumor-like structures. Once again, glands, it means useful tumor-like structure. It means secretion. It means in humans many useful tumor-like structure to secrete some specific secretion. Next, secretion of endocrine gland is hormones. Next is they are ductless gland because they did not have ducts. Once again, secretion of endocrine gland is hormone. Next is they did not have ducts, so they are ductless glands. Next is exocrine gland. First is secretion of exocrine gland is enzymes. Students, enzymes are, or mostly enzymes are protein. Next, they are ducted glands. Next is mixed gland. First is secretion of mixed gland is hormone and enzymes. It means mixed gland act on endo and exocrine gland. First is example of endocrine gland is thyroid gland, parathyroid, thymus, pineal, pituitary, hypothalamus. Next is exocrine gland is salivary gland. But most important example of mixed gland is pancreas. Students, pancreas is act on endocrine and exocrine. So pancreas is a mixed gland. Next is some specific glands or some specific endocrine glands. Endocrine glands. First is I draw a figure of a endocrine glands. Students, this is blood vessels. It means vessels means tube like. It means flow the blood in tube like structures. Next, this is tumor like or useful tumor like structures It is called endocrine gland. Endocrine gland to secrete specific secretion. It is called hormone. Hormone is a chemical substance released in directly blood. Finally, the chemicals, it means the hormones, reach on target organ or target structure. Next is human endocrine glands. First is hypothalamus. Second is pituitary gland. It is located in brain or near brain. It is located in brain part. Next, pineal. It is located in brain or near brain part. Next is thyroid. Next is parathyroid. Thyroid and parathyroid located in throat part. Next is thymus, located in chest or thoracic part. Next, pancreas, located in abdominal part. Next is adrenal gland, and last is gonads. It means testes and ovary. First is hypothalamus. Students, it is a endocrine gland. Next, first is location or position of hypothalamus is thalamus. It is a part of forebrain, and hypothalamus, students, cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus proper binded and forms anterior brain. It means forebrain. It means cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus, they are a part of forebrain. Hypo, it means below. It means thalamus, it means part of brain. Hypothalamus is located in below side of thalamus. First is below side of thalamus. Next is or situated in base part of forebrain. Situated on. Next is hormones of hypothalamus. Hypothalamus to secrete mostly two hormones. First is RH, it means releasing hormone. Second is IH, it means inhibitory hormones. First is RH, it is stimulate secretion of pituitary gland. Once again, RH hormones or these hormones to stimulate secretion of pituitary glands hormone. Next is IH hormones to inhibit secretion of pituitary gland hormones. Next is other name of hypothalamus. Students, in next online class we studied pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is also known as master gland, but hypothalamus to control pituitary gland hormones. So hypothalamus is master of master gland. First is master of master gland. Second is supreme commander of endocrine system. And next is function of hypothalamus. It controls synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormones. Once again, first endocrine gland is hypothalamus. First is it is a part of forebrain. Next, it is an endocrine gland. Next is, it means hypothalamus is related to endocrine system and nervous system. First is location, below side of thalamus or situated on base part of forebrain. It means anterior brain. Next, hormones of hypothalamus. Mostly two hormones releases from hypothalamus. First is RH. It means releasing hormones. IH, inhibitory hormones. RH hormone to stimulate secretion of pituitary gland hormones. Next, IH, it means inhibit. It means to stop, inhibit secretion of pituitary gland hormones. Next, other name of hypothalamus. Students, in next online class we studied pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is also known master gland, but hypothalamus to control pituitary gland hormones. So hypothalamus is master of master gland. Second, pituitary gland to control all other endocrine glands, but pituitary controlled by hypothalamus. So hypothalamus is a supreme commander of endocrine glands or endocrine system. And the last is function of hypothalamus. It controls synthesis and secretion of pituitary gland. So thanks, have a nice